Hello traders. This video is part 2 of discussing the FX Core Expert Advisor that I run on the Euro USD currency Forex market. With the H1 time frame. My trading runs on March 24, 2023, and when this video was made on April 2, 2023 on Sunday. Or about a week more. Here Expert Advisor to sell and buy separately. So you have to run two terminal pairs for the same pair. I will show you the settings for the FX Core 100 that I use. For the history of data trading report, I will switch to the MQL5.com site. Previously I have connected trading account from MetaTrader to MQL5. In the previous video I also shared how to connect a MetaTrader trading account to MQL5. If you are interested you can check the video on this channel. Here I use a capital of $2,000. Profit generated for 1 week more than $195. The drawdown that occurred was around 9.2% and the profit ratio was 77.6%. Growth information. Trading in March get 9.75% profit. And in April it's still 0% because when the video was made it was still April 2nd Sunday. Detailed drawdown information. A presentation of 9.2% if it is nominally around $184.84. You should not use the H1 time frame with a nominal deposit account below $184, otherwise you will get a margin call. Trading history. Lots opened from 0.01. You can see here on the 27th there were 11 consecutive losses with the largest lot of 1.76. Please note that the FX Core Expert Advisor uses the martingale method. Sometimes this method is not suitable for some people. But in terms of profit this will provide rapid profit growth. Statistical information. Trading for more than 1 week has opened a transaction of 116 transactions. With 90 transactions closed with a profit. The resulting profit factor is 1.99. The maximum consecutive loss of 11 transactions that we saw earlier in trading history. Total consecutive loss of $184.84. The average trading duration is 5 hours and in 1 week, the total transactions opened are an average of 114 transactions. For the pair that I use only the Euro USD pair. This is the result of an observation I made with the Exness broker. You can trade with zero spread with low slippage. For VPS I suggest using a VPS with low latency specifications for the speed of transaction execution. In the video description I have included the registration link for the Exness broker account type 0 spread and low specifications VPS. If you are interested you can try it first from the link that I have provided. On the hgtrade-air.com site, I have also shared the FX Core 100 Expert Advisor for free. On this site I have also reviewed the workings of this AIR along with its usage requirements. For capital under $1,000 it is recommended to use a time frame that is enlarged at 4 hours or H4. You can see this information to see the capital reference and time frame used. I will also show you the results of Forex trading using FX Core 100 from 2021. With a capital of €54,660, the resulting profit is €13,262. Or the profit that has been obtained is 219.34%. The resulting drawdown is 26.57%. For profit growth you can pay attention to this chart. These are the results of Forex trading that have been carried out from November 6, 2021. Information advances statistics. The total trading that occurred was 17,751 transactions. With a profit ratio of 13,299, profitable transactions are around 75%. The resulting profit factor is 1.75. Average trading duration is 4 hours. Monthly analytics. You can see here the profits from 2021, 2022, and 2023. There are several advantages of trading Forex on the Euro USD pair. High liquidity. Euro USD is the most actively traded currency pair on the Forex market, with high liquidity. This means that you can easily buy and sell these currency pairs at any time, with relatively low spreads. Sufficiently high volatility. Euro USD often experiences significant price movements in a short period of time, thus providing opportunities for traders to profit from these rapid price movements. Easy to find news and analysis. Because the Euro USD is such a popular currency pair, there is plenty of market news and analysis available to help you make better trading decisions. It includes economic and monetary policy data from the Eurozone and the United States. Low spreads. The Euro USD currency pair has relatively low spreads compared to other currency pairs on the Forex market. This means that your transaction costs can be lower, thus providing greater profit potential. Portfolio diversification. If you have a trading portfolio consisting of other currency pairs, trading Euro USD can provide great diversification for your portfolio. However, as with any type of trading, be sure to understand the risks and potential losses before starting to trade the Euro USD currency pair or any other currency pair. There are some words of wisdom to increase trading motivation. The successful trader is not the one who never loses, but the one who is able to consistently make profits over the long term. Alexander Elder. The key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. Victor Sperandio. Trading is a business, and like any other business, you need to have a solid plan and execute it consistently. Success in trading is not a matter of luck, but of skill and discipline. Mark Douglas. The most important thing in trading is to preserve your capital. If you don't have capital, you can't trade. Larry Hite. Okay, I think the second discussion of Forex trading using the FX Core 100 Expert Advisor running on the EUR USD pair H1 time frame is enough to end here. If you want to try, make sure to learn first on a demo account for at least 1 month or until you're sure of switching to a real account.